The second quarter, official score online. Oh, the jersey number 14. It has been tapped in the hands with throws. Alec. Third personal foul. First team foul. And who throws? You give it to is there. Malik. Yes, for one. Uling pagmuslok. Next the ring. Turnover. Aling inbound. It's to Hernandez. Hernandez. Five to Lucario. Lucario. Pass by Malikot. Ball goes out of bounds. Oh, white ball. Malikot inbound. Pass to Solano. Solano. Bawang bola. Nagkamadali. Dire-diretso. Wala lang. Ang sa rebound. Wale-wale. Wale. Pass to Lucario. Pila sa kalaban. Lucario na sa unahan. Wala lang. Yan sa office. Pass to Alec. Solano. Solano sa unahan. Hinanan. Wala. Malikot. Wala pa rin. Wala dito. Dito kayo. Tinasa sa kawalan. Wala Lucario. Lucario. Pass to Hernandez. Hernandez. Tulak. In and out. Bounded by. Ako naman taga-puti. Ano lang. Solano. Goes out of bounds. Hold on. Time out! Yeah. Remaining time 2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining for the second quarter. We should score 10-9 in favor of Lara. Hernandez. Ibang. As to Alec. Alec to Lucario. Lucario fire from the downtown. Visual score 12-10. Change favor now in favor of Amagong. Solano. As to Malikot. Malikot. Mabawi. Ibeke pa lang. As to Solano. Solano. Pinatikal yan. Ball goes out of bounds. Turnover. Lucario inbound. Ogulano. Gulano to Lucario. Lucario. Ini-stack. Diretso. Walang bola. Kaning Uwarde. Ball goes out of bounds. Turnover. Alikot. Si Solano. Solano. Ano papasahan? Hindi ka wala bola. Wala sayang ng okay. Solano, binatikan niya. Goes out of bounds. Hernandez. Hernandez. Ang sa unahan. Kay Alvin. Wala. Wala lang. Yan sa office. Wala pa rin. Ball goes out of bounds. Sabi.
Arnigo po saka Ilocario.
Arnigo. Ilocario. Alig. Tama. Out.
Ano lang po, dalawa lang po.
Arnigo and Ilocario. Out. Aborde and Indaya. Kamingin. Malikmot. Makasubol. Malikmot. Malikmot. Nagkiyawang bola. Uy. 3 seconds violation. Turnover. Main time 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Official score 12-10. Favor up. Tamagong. Hernandez. Bye. Asu. Bolaño. Hernandez. Hernandez. Didiretso. Pinalikan niya. Ito sa Wizen. Foul. Jersey number 2. Ay, 2 throws na. Out of shooting. Foul on jersey number 12. Illegal contact with the hands. 12. 2 shot. 0-0. 4 shot. 4 shot. Pinabi Spurs. Spurs na foul. Spurs yung foul. 2 throws. Manigit ito ni Sir Hernandez. First round. Gusto ko ulit.
Bitindig mo. Ay, bayaan mo na.
Dalawang pagbubusto. Mayo. Followed by Manlikmot. Manlikmot pass to Solano. At traveling violation. Turnover.
Pagdaan, 14 seconds na ka.
Solano, pula! Wala lang, bago ba yung Manlikmot. Manlikmot. Ay, Solano. Solano. Pula! Low basket. Manlikmot na yun. Wala pa rin. Balik ba yung Manlik, pass to Hernandez. Hernandez, nagmamadali. Ganap ng kamasahan. Pila sa bahay, ang pagmamantay. Wala lang. Bago pa yung taya. Wala lang. Wali na likot. 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 Kung ikalawa lang, wala ka. Wala ko na. Ito sa bahay. Bulayos. Bulayos sa bayan. Pesa. Basket is good. Official score. Deadlock. All well. Later, 1 minutes and 22 seconds in Dayan. Dayan. Dahil mapasahan ay isang bole from the downtown. Official score, 15-12, finger up, Tamagong. 3 points lead. Solano. Solano, Asu. Ayan. Borja. Borja. Intercepted. Abone. Abone. Ano papasahan? Ano si Hernandez? Ikaw ang Kenji. Nakakuha naman likot. Likot. Si Solano. Solano. Solano lang ang pasahan. Wala ang kabe. Ang kanya si Malikot. Malikot. 12 seconds to shoot. Malikot. Parsa. Pasa pala yun. Uwale. Pasa Solano. Solano. From the downtown. No basket. Suwagin. Solano. Solano. From the downtown. Riley. Malikot. Sa 3 ulit. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Bole, pinatikasan. Bole, pinatikan sa unahan. Nakaiindayan. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2. End of the second quarter. Official score 15-12. Back to the ball game. For the final half. Third quarter. Next out of position para sa Team Nara. Color. Hernandez inbound. As to Ilocario. Parang Smaitu. As to Hernandez. Hernandez, pula! Usual score. 12-18. Lumobo na sa anim ng kalaban ng Kapagong. Zulano. Zulano, pass to Malikmot. Malikmot. 12 seconds to shoot. Goes out to Bayan Daya. Daya nasa unahan. Kunti ka lang ito. After sa Winzel. Jersey number 0-0. Hitting on the head. Two shot. Awarding can be his first personal foul, first foul. Siguro kinikilig Daya.
Obrero pala ito mga.
Shot para kay Daya, first shot. Yes, provide. Dalawang pag-ubuslo. Mayo. One by Solano. Two seconds. One goes around. Colored ball. Colored. White. There's a guy by Hernandez. After so he's heading. Wow, there's number 0-0 pushing foul. Solano. First personal foul, second team foul. Hernandez. Lucario, pula. Comes up short. Rebounded by Malikmot. Rebounded by Sandoval. Aquani Aborde. Aborde pass. Kung Lucario sa unahan. Hindi mas kaya sa lang. Well, sa bola, there is no miss. Good luck. Official score, 1-12. Basket. And in the third quarter, meantime, 3 minutes and 36 seconds, official score. 91 favor of Kapagong. Aliyah inbound. As Hernandez. Hernandez, nagdata ng bola. Hinto. Masyadong masikip. Well done sa bounce. Lucario kasi Hernandez. Zuabone, 10 seconds to shoot. Aliyah. Magbutaka. No basket. 4 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 0-0. Holding foul. Hey, ball. Warden. Gabi second personal foul. Malikmot. First personal foul. Third team foul. Lucario. Aborde. Babay Hernandez. Also, Bulaño to Hernandez. Hernandez fire from below two. In and out. Followed by Malikmot. Pero wala. Ano yung Solano. Didiretso. Masyado masikip. Hindi ko yung teammate. Finds Malikmot pula. Winzel. All on the act of shooting. All jersey number
30.
30. Locario, his first personal foul, first team foul. He goes to give it to Mr. Malikot. Sige. Yes, for one. Pag-shoot. Visual score, 21-13. Yes, for one again. Top left. Wala nyo out. Agnigo, coming in. Time out! Nar. Visual score, 21-14 in favor of Tumagong. Alig. Ashley Hernandez. Up to Alig. Aso Aborde. Turn it down. Let's go for it. Ball goes to the bounce. Turnover. That's 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Solana. Has the ball. Aso Malikot. 8 seconds by Richard. Turnover. Ali. Hold up. No basket. Bali by Malikot. Diretso yan! Wala lang. Back. By Portia. Head ball. Save ball. Nagzara position para sa color. One minute and 54 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Visual score 21-14. Malikot yung mouse. Ito sa mouse. Save ball. Lulano. Ito ay ba yung Lucario? Lucario ngayon. Maso yung Hernandez. All around. Sa lakas. Sa pangkaling Malikot. Malikot ngayon. Malikot. Hindi na papasahan. Kasi aling. Kasi Lucario. Lucario na sa unahan. Tumigil pa. Turnover. Solana pas ko Warde. Ward ko Malikot. Malikot pulap. Basket ka doon sa Miser.
Award.
Foul jersey number 13. Sabret. Arnigo out. Indaya coming in. Nag-throws bibigyan ito. Malikot. Sino number 13? Lucario release second personal foul. Second team foul. Nag-throws bibigyan ito. Malikot. Yes for one. Official score 21-15 in favor of Camagong. Yes for one again. And complete 2 points play. Pero ay Mr. Malikot. Gordon. Gordon, on the long two. No good. All jersey number 00, holding foul. Warren, second personal foul. Warren for penalty. Hernandez. Ashley Lomario. Lomario. From the long three. No good. Kita, Wari Malikot. Malikot, de derecho. No, basket. Punta sa round single. Meantime, 49 seconds. Malikot. Si May tayo Silano. Silano, tulak. Tapos. Save by Wate. Waling Daya. Daya nasa unahan. 35 seconds. Tulungario. Ikaw mo na. Save. 30 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Although sa bouncer number 22 seconds. That last na off. Last 22 seconds for the third. Zulano. 20 seconds. Zulano, kaso Manlipot. Manlipot. De derecho, zigzag move. Yes, the fool. 10 seconds. 21 18. 6, 5. And of the third quarter, official score 20. Back to the ball game for the fourth and final quarter. Official score 23-18 in favor of Tamagong. Next out of position para sa team na. Hernandez Silvao. Pasko Aldik. Aldik to Gulayo. Bago sa free. Bago ang lakas. Bago sa the bounce. Third number. One and down. Pasko Gulayo. Pusat kay Gulayo. Head ball. Ay. All pala. Foul, jersey number 00, holding foul. Horsha, second personal foul, first team foul. Ilocari. Ilocari inbound, Asu Ale, from the other. No basket, no guys kaya. Horsha. Hernandez. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Diretso na, limang likot. Hernandez. Yeah, ito sa kay Solano. Solano, diretso yan. Foul on jersey number 28. Blocking foul. Hernandez first personal foul, first team foul. At two shot, ibigay to Steph Solano.
Wala, nabigay na.
Pag-shoot yung pulling din. Masyado malakas. Ikalawang pagbubuslo. Pag na-basket, na-basket. In and out. Ball by Aldik. Mani Ilocario. to Alig. Alig, so nanay, Daya. And now, to the goal. Back to the goal game. Meantime, 4 minutes and 7 seconds. Remaining for the fourth and final quarter, which is score 23-18. In favor of Tamagong. Lucario, has the ball. Pass to Brunello, Wali, pula. Basta kami, sunta ko yung kaya, wala pa rin. Lucario on the other, wala pa rin. Alit, alit. Yes, for two. Check is two. Addition score 25-18. Solano. Pula. Basta ko din, malikot, tumatras pa. Wala pa rin. Malikot, pula. Basket is good. Acquitted ball. Abore, Asu Lucario, Tuwali, pula. Tapos ang punte, ball goes to the foul. Sabit. Abore out. Hernandez, coming in. Wala na iba? Kasi Malipot. Stop at the three. Now basket. Ball goes to the foul. Turnover. Hernandez. Asuali, Alig, pass to Daya. Daya, pula. Bawa, Portia. Tawa din na yung Alig, nasa ball. Daya, kabalaw po. Helbon. Next out of position. Tamagong. Aware, rebound. Hernandez. The score 28-20. Malikot. Kemudian by Daya. As the Lucario to Alig. Pull out. No basket. Helbon, same ball. Same ball. Nada posisyon para sa natin. Lucario. Just for two. Lucario, this is score 30-20. Lingkod. Didiretso yan. Reset by Hernandez. Pasok Lucario. Sa unahan. That's good. This is score 32-20. Wala na kayo timeout. Wala na timeout. Ang purok na. Ang Tamagong, meron pa kayong dalawa. Technical foul para sa team na for the game. Wala na kayo timeout. Technical free throw para kay Ali. White. Ball position para sa White. White ba? Pinasa sa malikot sa labas ang mga kape. Game time, 1 minute and 55 seconds for the fourth and final quarter. Addition score 32-20. Hernandez, Simbab. Así Locario. Locario. Luis Hernandez. Hernandez. Fire from the downtown. Tapos ng konti. Save. Waring ng spot. A line violation. Save. Hernandez. Marshall. Ali. For the long two. That's good. Addition score 34-20. Break time 1 minute and 35 seconds. Solano. Hindi ka na walang bola. Si Bay Solano, paso Manlikmot. Diretso. Yung sa Wizen. All on jersey number 28. Legal to tap the hands to shot. Hernandez. Second personal foul, second team foul. Timeout. Tamagong. Break time 1 minute and 7 seconds. Addition score 34-20. Yan na lang po ang isang. Ating cross will be given to Mr. Manlikmot. In and out. Second throw. Yes, provide. Meantime, 34-21. Ulano, si Locario. Locario. 30 seconds. Save. Ayan. Ball Manlikmot. Manlikmot kaya nasa unahan. Diretso. Pass, that is good. Addition score 4-23. Vigo kasi tayo. Si Locario. Diretso. Pace. Short. Good back. Balik ba yung Manlikmot? Manlikmot. Anda na. Ayun na. Foul sa labas. Sa kontak. Foul on jersey number 23. Pushing foul. In line. First personal foul. Third team foul. Manlikmot rebound. Pass to Solano. At traveling violation. Last 30 seconds. Timeout. Tamagong. Wait time 30. Wait time 30 seconds. Remaining for the fourth and final quarter. Addition score 34-23. Hernandez. Traveling violation. 22 seconds remaining. Ali. Si Locario. Back to Booker. Giron. Aston. Ali. 10 seconds. And ball. turnover.
Highlights agad.
Dari kayo nasa rin. Wate, nasa balik po. 5 seconds. Foul jersey number 30. Lucario. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Last 5 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Sila, kanal, wala. Last 1 second. Last 1 second.